Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and I am from ST Technologies, Navi Mumbai. In this video, we are going to see about eddy current array on LHB wheel disk. So basically for eddy current array is used to identify any surface opening defects present on the object like cracks, fitting, blowhole, etc. For eddy current array, we are using this device which has 64 internal multiplexer in it, but it can be extended up to 128 channel multiplexer. And another thing we are using for eddy current array is this tab is used for reading and acquiring the data in a proper way, and it can store the data also. Another device which is used for eddy current array is this probe. This should be flexible in nature, because you can as you know, the geometrical dimension of LHB wheel is not straight, it is slightly contour in nature. To adjust in that contour, it should be flexible so that it can be adjusted in that contour. In this probe there are 40 number of coil is used, but it can be extended up to 60, 80, 100 depend upon the length of area where you are going to scan. Now we will see how eddy current array works. So basically, eddy current array for eddy current array, the two laws are used. First is Faraday law, another one is Lenz law. What Faraday law says that any current carrying conductor or object come across varying magnetic field, the electromagnetic field induced in them. So basically, using this probe, we induce the secondary current in object. As you can see, this is a block which is made up of same LHB wheel. We have cut the transaction web area, and we have made three type of cracks. First is your radial crack, which is in radial direction, in angle direction. Second one is straight crack, it is also known as transverse crack, and third one is known as axial crack. And these are all flat bottom hole, which is used to for fittings and corrosion, etc. Now we are going to scan this defect and see what result we are getting in our display or tab. So I am going to scan this. Start. Stop. Now, as you can see, I have scanned the data, and this data I got. In this tab there are two basically channels used, which are used to identify the orientation of defect. As in past I have shown the block. In that block there was two defect which was like parallel to scan direction, that is your angular defect and your transverse defect. Such type of defects occur is seen in this transverse channel, and if the perpendicular or axial defect occur, is seen in axial defect. The volumetric hole like fittings and flat bottom hole, the orientation of such type of defects cannot be explained. That's why it is coming in both channels. It can be transverse also and axial also. Such type of defects come in both channels. As you can see, whenever I got any certain defect, it's showing oranges and red in signal. And whenever your wheel surface will be okay, your signal will be 0. And whenever you will come across any defect, you will suddenly see a spike of 40-degree phase angle, as it is calibrated on 40-degree phase angle. Now similarly for axial also, you can see it is calibrated in 60-degree phase angle. Whenever the wheel will be okay, you will see no spike, and whenever there will be defect, you can see a sudden spike. As by seeing this spike and this scan, you can see there is any discontinuity or defect in that. Now we are going to see how this method is worked on actual wheel. So right now we are standing, as you can see, we are standing near this LHB wheel. Right now my colleague is going to scan this LHB wheel. You can see how the scanning and data acquiring is done. Start. As now my colleague has scanned this wheel and we have got this data of LSB wheel. We have to scan and check whether there is any calibrated phase angle or not. Right now there is no any such defect, as you can see from graph, and from C-scan itself there is no defect and there is no calibrated phase angle of 40 and 60 degree. As you can see, I am analyzing this point. If you got such type of graph, you can say that the wheel is free from any discontinuity and other things. Right now we will see the inspection of ECA in fitted wheel or fitted coach in next. So right now we are standing in coach. You can see there is fitted wheel, like we have to inspect this wheel. For example, right now my colleague is going to scan, show you how to scan and do this wheel. Start. Stop. So right now we have got this data. As you can see, it is also green in nature and there is no such defected phase angle is showing. And if you got such type of data, you can say that the wheel is okay. uh, for any query related to eddy current, you can contact us. Thank you.